Agriculture. Land producing food to sustain lots of people. But agriculture is also responsible for doing more than any other human activity to displace and degrade the ecosystems of the world. The world's major ecosystem types, forest, grassland, desert, boreal areas, and cold mountains and tundra, each occupy about a fifth of the world's land area. Agriculture occupies nearly 2/5 of the world's land area, mostly taken from grasslands and forests. Because agriculture now occupies such a large portion of the world's most productive lands, it's time to design the agroecosystems of the future that can feed people and restore ecosystem functions back to the lands that feed people. Like making clean water, building rich soil, and providing habitat for a diversity of species. Forest is the ecosystem of the eastern U.S., so forest agriculture is the most suitable system for this region. At Forested, our singular research goal is to prove that forest agriculture can produce at least as much food as we get from wheat, the world's most widely grown crop. We're confident of achieving this goal because of the yields of canopy tree crops like acorns and chestnuts that yield a quantity of food per acre comparable to wheat. But in that same acreage, we can also produce fruits and berries in the understory, vegetables, culinary and medicinal herbs, mushrooms in the deep shade, and many other yields that are useful for people, making this one of the most productive agricultural systems possible, while also restoring critical ecosystem function to these lands. People make forest gardens in places like backyards, farms, neighborhood parks, office parks, places of worship, and school campuses. If you live in the eastern U.S. or anywhere else forests grow, it's almost guaranteed that your neighborhood would be a great place for a forest garden. Forested offers several ways to learn about forest gardening. You can download our free forest garden design guide, come visit our 10-acre research forest garden, sign up for one of our classes, have us come speak to your organization, or call us if you need help designing your forest garden. Creating a forest garden is one of the most important ways you can improve both human and environmental health in your community for generations to come.